She said you're beautiful. We have a home like this. This is like a restaurant. Yeah, so good. Long time ago he didn't come here, so he just shopped on his own country. And this is a car, Maur's car.
Look like
We just parked there.
how much time?
Say hi, hello.
You continue. How much time? You don't have time?
No. But okay, that's all. We need to go to the sea, maybe, because we are looking for the horse, but we can't find the horse. There's a lot of tourists here also, foreigner. Wow, look at this restaurant. And you have to see for shawarma. And the cat is everywhere, look. Look. He loves animals, and animals love him also. So they love each other
Look, it's like
because he is a lover.
no horse. It's too bad for the video.
Ah, look at this. Look, say hello to
You're
my
supposed to say
channel.
hi. You sure? לא,
Shalom.
אבל תקשיב, הוא עבר, אמר לי תחכה ותקשיב.
הוא עכשיו
גם
יחזור.
הספינה לא הלך לי,
עכשיו יחזור לבוא.
קרוא לי שם. תגיד לו, יש אנשים, בוא תשתוף.
עכשיו יעבור לבוא.
תגידי בה מקודם 20 דקות, פה בבית קפה.
Yes, so
beautiful. איפה אתה?
look at it.
رجعت نزلت في الافرول
תחשוב לי.
رجعت نزلت في الافرول
מוזר. זה טוב, אני אגיד לך.
Say hello to my channel. I'm YouTube.
יוטיוב.